Hi there, students. Hebdomadal. Hebdomadal. Okay, this is a really posh, formal, unusual word meaning weekly. Happens every week. Happens once a week. Appears once a week. So you could have a hebdomadal newspaper or a hebdomadal magazine that is printed once a week. It comes out once a week. In Oxford University used to have the Hebdomadal Council, and this was a group of people who were the steering committee who made all the decisions about Oxford University, and they were supposed to meet once a week, and the vice chancellor would be, or the chancellor would be at this hebdomadal meeting. But this word hebdomadal, if you use it, people are not going to know what it is. It's a rare, unusual word for weekly. Yeah, hebdomadally. Yeah, this meeting takes place hebdomadally. Yeah, it's a hebdomadal meeting. It's a weekly meeting. Okay, so happens every week. Yeah, this is normally for organisations that meet every week. It's something that happens once a week. Hebdomadal, occurring every 7 days. There's even an even more old-fashioned word, hebdomadary. But I think, well, go as far as hebdomadal. It's a very formal, unusual word, just meaning weekly. It's a posh way of saying every week. This happens hebdomadally. It happens every week. It takes place once a week. I guess your rent is calculated hebdomadally. You pay £100 a week. Yeah, your hebdomadal rent is £100, not by the calendar month, but not by the year, but by the week. Yeah, wages used to be paid hebdomadally, but now wages are normally paid every month at the end of the month. Okay, so your hebdomadal paycheck, if you like, this is something that occurs once a week. So yes, it's time for my hebdomadal bath. No, I'm just joking. Okay, so hebdomadal, something that happens once a week. Yeah, a hebdomadal journal that is printed once a week. There are various hebdomadal magazines. I think many of them are monthly, but others are hebdomadal. They come out every week. So it's talking about the periodicity of something. Hebdomadal, once a week. Yeah, this happens hebdomadally. I think if you speak French, hebdomadaire, weekly, it's going to be easy to understand, but in English it's unusual. Let's see. As to origin, it comes from Latin hebdomadalis, weekly, happening every week. Formality, woof. 8.5, 9 informality is a very formal word. It's not something people are going to know. Use it in a formal document. In a formal writing, it would be very good. Maybe in something semi-formal as well, semi-formal writing, but no less than that. So anyway, hebdomas, a week in Latin. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hebdomadal.